Well, hi, this is Jim, the indie dev guy. Recently, I started a cool new game project, and today I decided to make this devlog, the first of many that will follow, showing you the actual journey of game development, and hopefully you will get an idea of all of its aspects. As this is my first online presence, let me introduce myself. I'm a game programmer for almost 13 years now. I worked in many fun projects. Some of you may already know. Unfortunately, I didn't get credited for it, so I decided to make an online portfolio and show you guys what I can do and make a complete gaming process with your much appreciated feedback. So let us begin. So, the game takes place on an alien planet. A group of scientists stranded there after a failed faster than light drive test and crashing on that planet. They will then try to survive, build a shelter on an habitable planet that might have lots of other monsters and life and other alien life, floating islands, weird physics and gravity phenomena. So they will try to survive there for as much as they can until they process progress in technology until they make a reactor, a small reactor, that will provide them with enough power to turn on a beacon so they can communicate back with Earth and let them know where they are. After that, what's supposed to happen, Earth will take them and then you're just finish the game, but this will not happen. Okay, the game is very similar to Subnautica in a way, but slash Factorio too, Factorio, Subnautica, or Satisfactory. Yeah, that makes it better. So what I already did in this game, the game is of course made on the phenomenal Unreal Engine 5. The game is mostly written in C++, only editor stuff that are made in Blueprint. Then I already made the movement system. I retargeted some animation. I made a few animations in Cascader for holding the weapons. As you can see that. I also made that weapon in Blender. I fired up Blender, started a new scene, and had some reference for a mining pistol or mining gun that will help you mine all sort of stuff. You will keep it and you will upgrade it. You'll have module upgrades that will make it more powerful, overheat less, and such. You will also have a construction gun that will let you build whatever blueprints or recipes that you wanna be building. And also you will be able to make some weapons so you can defend yourself and your base, of course, from the unbelievable horrors that you will find. The main theme of this game is gonna be tension, horror, but not thriller, thrilling, not horror, thriller. Imagine playing PUBG, PlayerUnknown Battleground, where they I'll keep you on the edge for the maximum amount of time, sorry, and then something bad will happen. But you still have a fighting chance. You can fight anything on this game. Wherever the resources are, it will be moderated, of course, so new players does not get frustrated. Wherever you start the game, you will be in the easy areas. You will find small monsters and alien creatures that mostly you will hunt for food in the nutritional synthesizer. And the more valuable the resources are and the more new elements that you will be discovering, these guys will be the most heavily fortified by monsters and very, very strong monsters. They will kill you one shot, one hit, on the beginning of the game, but later, by when you like upgrade your suits and your weapons and such, you will be able to like phase them off. It will not be an easy fight, but you will be able to phase them off. So this is what's done in the game so far, like mining. We started like doing this mining thing in Niagara. I made the beam in Niagara where like you have like a starting point for the beam, which is the gun obviously, and the end of the beam is always where the ray from the camera hits. This is also where the character will like be pointing his gun to. So whenever the ray hits, the laser will start from the gun to that hit point. It was a fun experience in Niagara. I haven't get in touch with Niagara a lot since it was released, as I was focusing on programming mostly. It's not my job to do particle effects, so I didn't care about Niagara a lot. But yeah, this will be an interesting experience for me, like gaining more knowledge from it. I'll be trying to explain a lot of it for you guys too in like the way, but this is like just my first devlog here, and it's not scripted. So yeah, next time maybe like I'll show you how to actually do stuff. You can ask me in the comment if you wanna have like a tutorial for anything specific in Unreal Engine 2. Yeah, I'll be able to help in that too. Also, this game is in co-op mode. You can play it, of course, in single player, but it will be more fun if you have like a few friends with you to help you like make this small little settlement or colony until you like finish off the game. In this part, it's very similar to Valheim, where the more people you have, the more fun it will be and the more easier your journey will become. Yeah, and currently the mining actually work. You get stuff from what you're mining. I actually used data assets. It's a like I didn't use data assets before in this manner, but I used data assets this time to make the inventory and the like item handling, which it's way much easier to do it than any other way, like data tables or other JSON stuff. But yeah, this one is like very intuitive actually to grasp. It's way better. I don't have to like set up all the item specs all over and all over again whenever I'm moving something. I just like get the data asset, make the part like where it have like a small structure that shows you, like I'll show you on the screen now, a small structure that says okay, the item is the data asset plus its count, like the count, how many of it do you have, and this is like literally basically the environment. Of course, stacking and weight and such like details are saved inside the data asset itself. Yeah, this is like very fun. So what I'll be doing next is the inventory, the actual inventory, where you're gonna like press tab or I or whatever keybind that you will be choosing. It will show you actually the inventory and what you already have mined, and in the crafting window would like you're gonna be choosing recipes for the crafting pistol or crafting gun. So you can start actually making the small little components very slowly until you craft your first craftable building or facility, which is the mining table. Oh, sorry, the crafting bench or the work table. I still don't know what I'm gonna call it. Why don't you guys help me? It's a futuristic name. I'm gonna call it craft table for now. This is where you're gonna be like start to make recipes for other buildings and other big machines that will automate a lot of processes for you. Yeah, I think that's it. So next time we'll be seeing the new progress together, and also I'm going to be showing you a lot of the stuff I've been going through. So yeah, have a good day. See you next time.